Hey, Michael Bender back with another video. I want to do a quick video on Zoom for Linux. I've tried to make this simple for everyone. So this is the same application that is available for Windows and Mac OS users as well. As you see there, it's the same application, nothing different. You would just sign in and you would go from there basically. What I have done for this particular video, I have made it easier. This particular file right here, I'm going to make it available inside the description below where you can just download it. You would click on install right there where mine says reinstall package, and once you click on that, everything should get to going. If you do have any problems, let me know inside the comment below though. Listen, I want to thank you for watching today. And as always, I want to encourage you to definitely subscribe to the channel and also comment below and thumbs up our video.